So the today's question is 3453 separate squares. Right. So this question you are given a 2D integer array squares, each squares I. Each squares I is equal to x, y, li represent coordinates of the bottom left point and the side length of square parallel to x axis. Okay, find the minimum y coordinate value of a horizontal line such that such that the total area of the square above line equals the total area squares below the line. Okay, answer answer 10 raised to the power minus 5 of the actual answer. A square में overlap. For example दे रखा 0011 वाला. Okay. Then example 2 002111. नहीं है. हाँ, थोड़ा constant क्या हो. Constant 1 to square dot length 5 into 10 is equal to 4. Okay. Okay. No understand. So we choose a binary search, right? Like, and if you ask why binary search, like if we imagine a horizontal line starting at the bottom and moving up as the line moves higher, the area below the line only increase or stay the same. It never decrease, right? So this monotonic property is the key whenever a problem asks for a where a monatomic function hits a specific target, right? So target is equal to total area divided by 2. And what was our approach? So our approach is we need to find y coordinate, right? So in step 1, define search space. The answer must be between lowest bottom edge and the highest top edge of all squares, right? One second. So like we have to do right in the code. So what I written, but firstly and the second, like where we go pick a midpoint, right, and of calculate the area of all squares below mid. And like if area is greater than equal to half total, the line is too high, so move high down to mid. If area mid is less than half total, the line is too low, right? And after that we have to step 3, calculating area for each squares. So check its relation to the line cut y, right? And fully below add the squares, right? And the time compressed big O n into k. So that's I return the code, right? You have the 1 to line I write. And after that one second. Then we used to calculate the total area of initially, right? So 4 into sq squares. Then we do a loop through each square. So double y is sp1, and after that double L is equal to sq2. Extract y is equal to bottom y coordinate, L is equal to side length, right? And and after that you have to write cast to double before multiplying to prevent integers. So the like we have to write have to like total area equal to L into L. So area of square L into L square side square, right? Added to total area and stored as doubled for precisions, right? So in this, low is equal to math dot min low y, right? And after that update the lowest y coordinates among all squares. So it is high is equal to math dot max I y plus L. Update the highest top edge y plus L among all squares, and this gives the upper bound of binary search. And now we have to target area. So double half area is equal to total area divided by 2, right? And we want a horizontal line such that area below line is equal to half of total area. And then we have to binary search loop. So binary search fix iteration कर देंगे for like for int I is equal to 0, I less than 100, I increment कर देंगे, right? So binary search for 100 iteration and guarantee high precision of that. Then we double mid is equal to low plus high minus low divided by 2. It is midpoint y coordinate candidate dividing line, right? And after that area calculation check. So after that we have to do if calculate area squares and mid greater than equal to half area, right? Then then they also like compute area below mid, and if it is greater than or equal to half, the dividing line is 2 or correct. So high is equal to mid कर दिया. And then we move search downward. So else low is equal to mid, and if area is too small, dividing line is too slow, so move forward. Then we final answer and return high. I converges to the smallest y, where area half, and these satisfy the problem condition. Let me check run the code or not. So not running. Here are some error. Let's see. No, it is not running. Like we use helper method to like calculate area, right? So private double calculate area into squares and double current y. This is for like compute total area below horizontal line current y, right? And double area is equal to 0, it means accumulator for y. And then we do a loop through squares, right? So 4 and SQs on squares कर देंगे, and then we double y L और top ले लेते हैं, right? Here y is like bottom of squares, L is everyone knows, right? And then we double top equal to y plus L, and top is like top of square. And the three possible case one, like square completely above the line. So if y is greater than equal to current y, then do continue, right? Like square is entirely above current y, so contribute 0 area, right? And then after case 2, square completely below the line. So the else if is like top less than is equal to current y, so area equals to L into L, right? So square like completely below the line and add a full square area, that means. And then after goes case 3, square partially interesting the line. So else area is equal to L into current y minus y, right? This is because like only part of square is below the line. Height below line is equal to current y minus y, and area with L into height. Then we do also return the total area. Then we do close, right? After that we have to run the code, the compiler error. So it is now like it's run the code, and now it's run accepted. Then we have to do some okay. Then we do tomorrow also, right?